and then we'll let you sort of look at that. We'll flip around. Let me see if I can find a striated duct that will be easy to determine. Now, again, this probably is a striated duct, you see here, and now this is at high power, and you can at least see in here some of the infolding, if you will, and this surface right here, you can see the infolding. These are going to be those striations that one sees in these cells. They're sort of centrally located, if you will, these nuclei, and then this portion that you see out here, from here to here, would be the where you would see the striations. And if you just, I can go up in oil, and we should do that just so you can see that. Now it looks like that there's we may be at the end of this particular striated duct and beginning to pick up a little infralobular material, because it looks like there may be another cell or two below that. Although when you embed this tissue and then you cut it, you get some. You try not to, but you get a little bit of movement. So it would be pretty hard to be absolutely certain. Some preparations are just very easy, and some are more difficult. But this is what it'll be well defined. Look at where the nuclei are. Look at the size of the cell. Look at where these sort of darker staining or structures are. Those are the striations that one sees, and it usually is a well-defined lumen that you see there. It looks like there may be some red cells in there, and it could be that in fact that there were, when the tissue was originally taken, that there were some cells there, but I don't think that's true. Over here it's a little capillary, or actually a little arteriole, where this is located now. Remember, this is also very richly vascularized, so you should be able to see those around as well inside there. Okay. And this is shrunk just in the drying out. This area right here with these cells have just been shrunk during the fixation or the dehydration procedure. All right. So you can look around and see different kinds of ducts where they're going to the outside. And you've had a chance to look at these before. So I just want you to pay attention now to the acinus, these cells that are here, and how they're sort of arranged, and so that you can be able to essentially put a section of a parotid gland and ask your neighbor if they can identify what it is, so that you get used to being able to look at tissue like this and identify straight away that it is a salivary gland. Okay. As the ducts get bigger, you can begin to see that they're going to get more nucleated here. So we're going to have sort of a pseudostratified one in this particular cut. All right.